Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and in this tutorial I'm going to answer the question, are your N8N workflows safe when you update N8N on your Hostinger Virtual Private Server, or VPS? So I made a tutorial, link in the description, on how to update N8N if you have it installed on a Hostinger VPS. The number one comment that I kept getting over and over again, is my N8N data safe? Is there any risk that I'm going to lose my N8N workflows when I update N8N on my Hostinger VPS? Well, I did some digging so I could address your concerns and answer your comments confidently. And the good news is, your N8N data and your workflows should be absolutely safe when you update N8N on your Hostinger VPS. In this video, you are going to learn why your N8N data and workflows are safe when updating. You'll learn what are Docker containers, what are Docker volumes, and then I'm going to walk you through the steps of updating N8N on Hostinger VPS. So what is N8N? N8N is a workflow automation platform that allows you to connect multiple apps and services together and automate tasks between them. What is Hostinger? Well, Hostinger is just the name of the web hosting tech company, and this is where we rent a VPS, or a virtual private server. And a virtual private server is just like having your own little cloud computer that you can build applications, you can build websites, or in our case, we can install the community or the self-hosted edition of N8N so we can run N8N automations for free because we are self-hosting it on our own virtual private server. And finally, what is Docker? Docker is known as a containerization software. It's a container where you can package and run applications such as N8N. If you're like me, you signed up for Hostinger VPS because you wanted to run N8N for free. So what I did when I went to Hostinger.com, I went to Services, went to the self-hosted N8N, then I clicked on Choose Your Plan. I went with the KVM1. I signed up for 2 years, so it's just under $5 per month. Which, by the way, if you also want to sign up, if you haven't done so yet, I'll leave my referral link in the description, which should get you 20% off. So I selected the $4.99, the KVM1, and during the checkout process, the N8N option should be automatically checked for you. Then when you sign into Hostinger, you're going to go to VPS, you'll click on Manage, and if you come over here and click on OS and Panel, then Operating System, at the top you're going to see the current application, so you should see N8N, then your current operating system, you should see Ubuntu 24.04. So Hostinger installs N8N along with everything that is required for N8N to run. So that includes Node.js, the required libraries, and the configuration settings, and it places everything inside of a Docker container. Now here is where the magic and the peace of mind comes in. In addition to the Docker container that contains the N8N app, in the setup process, Hostinger also creates a separate Docker volume, or a persistent storage volume. This is where your N8N data and workflow lives, so it is separate from the Docker container. So the application is in the Docker container, and your data and workflow from N8N is in this separate Docker volume. Also in the volume, you'll see it's your workflows, the credentials that you save, the execution history from N8N, along with custom N8N settings. So we have our Hostinger VPS, or Virtual Private Server. On our server, we installed N8N in a Docker container, and connected or mounted to the Docker container is a separate Docker volume. This gives us persistent storage of the N8N data. Persistent storage means the data stored on this Docker volume exists completely independent of this Docker container. So even if you were to stop, delete, or move this Docker container, the data on your Docker volume is going to remain intact. When you update N8N that was installed on your Hostinger VPS, you are only updating the Docker container. The separate Docker volume is not affected when you run an update. Your N8N data and workflows, along with the credentials, are safe when you run an N8N update. Now I'm going to walk you through exactly what is happening behind the scenes when you update N8N on your Hostinger VPS. So when you run the first command, that tells your VPS to go out and download the latest version of the N8N Docker image. The second command does two things. First, it stops the old Docker container from running. So this is the container that contains the outdated version of N8N that you want to update. Once the old container powers down or stops running, it then gets removed. Not to worry, because the next command starts up that new Docker image that we downloaded, and when you start running a Docker image, it creates a new container. So now we have a brand new Docker container with an updated version of N8N along with all of the dependencies that it needs to run. Once the new Docker container is up and running, the data or the Docker volume gets reconnected to the new container automatically. All the update is really doing is just swapping out the old Docker container that contains an outdated version of N8N, and it replaces it with a new Docker container with the latest version of N8N. You can think of the Docker volume or the persistent storage that contains all of your N8N data and workflows like an external hard drive. So normally this Docker volume is plugged into your Docker container. But when you run an update, the Docker volume gets disconnected from the container. So the VPS is going to swap out the old container and replace it with a new container with the latest version of N8N. Once the new container is up and running, it reconnects to the Docker volume. The Docker volume that contains all of the stuff that you're really worried about is untouched during the update. To confirm that your N8N install is in its own Docker container and you have a separate Docker volume with your N8N workflows, we're going to run a couple of commands in the browser terminal. So sign into your Hostinger VPS dashboard. Go in the top right and click on Browser Terminal to launch the terminal. Just click where your cursor is and type out Docker, D-O-C-K-E-R, space, PS. The PS stands for Process Status, and just tap the return key. This is exactly what you're looking for. This is the Docker image for N8N. So now let's check and confirm that you have a Docker volume. I'll go back to terminal, go to where my cursor is, I'll type out Docker, D-O-C-K-E-R, space, volume, V-O-L-U-M-E, space, LS. And LS is just a flag that means list. I'll tap return, bingo. This is telling us that we have a data volume for our N8N Docker container. Just like with the Docker PS command, if we had additional Docker containers that had persistent storage, they would all be listed here. Let's inspect our data volumes. So I'm just going to select this snippet of code, copy it, Command C, go back to my browser terminal. I'm just going to paste it in below, tap return. Pretty cool. So we know the name of our Docker volume is called N8N_data, which we saw in the previous command. But we can now see the mount point. This is the path to where your actual N8N data and workflows are stored. And if you want to take a little peek inside of your data volume, I'm just going to copy this command here, Command C, go back to my browser terminal, paste it in, tap return. We have files in our data volume. And now for the easy way. Sign into your Hostinger dashboard. If you do not see VPS in the center of your screen, click on VPS in the left sidebar, then click on Manage. Go back to the left side, click on Docker Manager. When I twirl open root, I'm going to see a list of my Docker containers installed on my VPS, and there is my N8N Docker container. And this root trafic, in case you're wondering, that has to do with reverse proxy, so we're not going to do anything with that, but here's the main thing we're looking for, the N8N Docker container. And it's the same if I was in the browser terminal and I typed out Docker, D-O-C-K-E-R, space PS tap return. There we can see that trafic that we're seeing and the Docker container that has N8N installed. Okay, we know how to check the Docker containers in the dashboard. How do we check for the Docker volumes? Just come over here and click on Edit. Click on Visual Editor. Come down to N8N. This is the Docker container, remember? Then come over here and click on Edit. We've got all this information right here in the dashboard about our Docker container. There's the Docker image that we saw earlier, and here is the volume that we're looking for. Remember that N8N underscore data? And try this Docker volume ls in the terminal. I'll just run that real quick, tap return, and there is the N8N underscore data. I'll close this out by clicking cancel here, and then I'll click cancel at the top. While nothing is guaranteed in tech, things can always go wrong. You've heard of Murphy's Law, right? But to answer your question, is your N8N data and workflows safe? When you update the self-hosted version of N8N on your Hostinger VPS? The answer is yes, assuming that your N8N instance is in its own Docker container and you have a separate Docker volume for the N8N data and workflow. I'm going to end this tutorial by actually updating my version of N8N, and I'm just going to point out a couple of the concepts that we talked about, such as stopping the old Docker container, removing it, and then restarting the new container. And the way that we're going to be able to check this is in the Docker Manager. And we can see right here that the Docker container is currently running. To update, we're going to be following the Hostinger support article, link in the description. But first you launch the browser terminal from your Hostinger dashboard, and then you just run these 3 little snippets. And the first one is to pull the latest version of the N8N image. And when you see image, that is referring to a Docker image. Remember, when you run the Docker image, that creates a new Docker container. Copy, Command C, go to the terminal, paste it in, Command V, tap return. It pulled in the latest image, but the reason you're not seeing much is because my N8N was already updated. Now we're going to stop and remove the currently running containers. So here we go. I'll select it, Command C, go to the terminal, paste it in, Command V. Okay, our containers are removed. So if I go into the dashboard to the Docker Manager, if I refresh it, Command R, our containers are gone. Our Docker container is gone, but the Docker volume with all of our precious N8N data and workflows should still be available. So let's test it out in the terminal. To list all Docker volumes, I'm going to type Docker, D-O-C-K-E-R, space, volume, V-O-L-U-M-E, space, ls, tap return, bingo. Our Docker volume with our N8N data and workflows is intact. So the first command of the update downloaded the latest version of the N8N Docker image. The second command did 2 things. First, it stopped the old Docker container. Once the old Docker container stopped running, then it was removed. So that's where we're currently at. The old Docker container is removed. We have the new Docker image ready to go. So the last command is going to start up the Docker image. That's going to spin up a new Docker container with the latest version of N8N, and then it's going to automatically reconnect to the Docker volume with our N8N data and workflows. Whew. Last command, copy it to my clipboard, Command C, go into the terminal, paste it, Command V, tap return. Looking good, our containers have started. So go into the Docker Manager in our Hostinger dashboard. I'll just refresh, Command R. How cool is that? And the final test, does N8N actually work? So from my dashboard, I'm just going to click on Manage App, There you have it. I am learning along with you. I learned a ton in researching this, and I hope that you did too. The goal for me in this video was to give you peace of mind and confidence when you are updating your self-hosted version of N8N on your Hostinger VPS. You will find the snippets and the links to everything discussed in the description box of this video. And while you're down there, if you haven't already done so, I'd love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. But that is how you can confidently update your N8N on a Hostinger VPS. My name is Mike Murphy, your AI handyman. Cheers.